Hello friend, I hope you have watched my previous tutorial, and in this tutorial I am with a question which have asked in GATE 2008 and from heat transfer based on concept of radiation. So let's try to understand what is given in the question and what we have to find. In the given question there is a hollow enclosure which form between two infinite long concentric cylinder of radius 1 meter and other of 2 meter. Radiative heat exchange takes place between inner surface of larger cylinder, that is surface 2, and other surface of a smaller cylinder, that is surface 1. The radiative surface are diffuse, and the meaning of diffuse is the incident angle and reflecting angle is not same, and the medium in the enclosure is non-participating, that is radiation is take place without space resistance, and we have to find fraction of thermal radiation leaving the larger surface and striking itself. In simple word, shape factor of surface 2 with respect to itself. So first I want to give some idea about shape factor. Shape factor or view factor, that is Fij, is defined as part of radiation energy incident on surface J from surface I divided by total radiation energy emitted by surface I, and it can be written as Fij is equal to Qij divided by Qi. Whenever you get a question based on shape factor, then apply these 2 points. First one is sum of Fij is equal to 1, or sum of total shape factor of surface I with respect to uneven j is equal to 1, where ij is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. And second one is reciprocity theorem, which used to compare shape factor of two body, which is ai into Fij is equal to aj into Fji. Suppose 1, 2, 3 is 3 body, so the total shape factor of body first can be written as shape factor of body first with respect to itself F11 plus shape factor of body first with respect to second F12 with respect to third body F13, and sum of these all is equal to 1. So guys, I hope you have understand till now. Now let's go for the solution. Here radius of a smaller cylinder is 1 meter and larger cylinder is 2 meter. So for surface first, shape factor F11 plus F12 is equal to 1 and F11 is 0, because surface first is convex, and when it emit radiation, then emitted radiation will not strike on itself. Now shape factor for surface 2 is equal to F21 plus F22 is equal to 1. Here F22 is not equal to 0 because surface 2 emit radiation, then some part of radiation will gain by surface first and other part will be gained by itself. Now by reciprocity theorem, A1 into F12 is equal to A2 into F21, and area of cylinder first is equal to 2 pi r1 into L, and F12 from equation 1 is equal to 1, and area of larger cylinder is equal to 2 pi r2 into L F21, and from here F21 is equal to r1 by r2, which is equal to 0.5. Now by substituting the value of F21 in equation 2, we will get the value of F21, and from here F21 is equal to 0.5. Here we have got the value of F22. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any doubt, feel free to ask in comment section. We try to solve as quick as possible. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a good day.